In this video, I will show you how to get rid of Reels on Facebook. So to get started, go ahead and open Facebook on your device, and then in here, look for the Reel section or a specific Reel that you can find on your feed. So once you find a Reel on your feed, click on that. And then once you click on it, you'll find three dots at the bottom right of your screen below the send button. So click on that three dots and then click on this not interested. So make sure to do this for every reels that you find to be able to eliminate the presence of reels into your Facebook account. Another way is to go ahead and head over into the menu section and then head over to settings and privacy. Click on settings and then under settings, look for media. So click on media under preferences. Make sure to disable video playback into this section, such as autoplay in feed and stories. So that is how you can basically get rid of reels on Facebook.